Welcome to this aerial tour of Kempagoda International Airport, Bangalore, India's third busiest airport. This is the pilot's view as he approaches the runway 0927 from the eastern side. You can see the parallel taxiway and the rapid exit ways from the runway for quick clearance of the runway. We now move slowly towards the western end of the runway. On the right is Devanahalli Business Park. The taxiway to the runway and the apron and the terminal building on the left. You can see the Kempagoda International Airport Road, which is the approach road to the airport on the left of the main terminal. We approach from the eastern side once again, cross the terminal, have a glimpse of the car park, the Kempagoda International Airport Road and the approach road to the airport. That's the western end of the runway there, the approach path and the taxiway. You can see the fuel farm and two aircraft parked on the cargo complex. That's the terminal building with the aero bridges. Closer look at the car park and the approach to the terminal, control tower, the fuel farm and the first roundabout of entry to the airport. That's the terminal building. We now take a rotated view of the airport as the passengers would see when they arrive in the terminal building. That's the terminal building with the aero bridges. This is an older view. Then you can see both the exit and the in road to the airport terminal. Now we take a complete tour of the airport as the aircraft approaches, the path it takes, then takes a left turn, goes towards and then comes there and parks on the aero bridges. As you approach the most of the aircraft take, then you can see that an aircraft is going towards the taxiway from the terminal building, parked away from the aero bridges. That's the terminal building. Now we see a zoomed up view of the airport, the runway. Let's now run through the taxiway which runs parallel to the main runway on the southern side. That's the end of the thing. That's runway 27 marked 0927 running east-west. That's the eastern side. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant day.